Hello my dear friends, I am Rizwan Khan from our YouTube channel, Our Language School. Friends, if you are going to learn any language, so it is very important to learn first alphabet of that language. In this video, I am going to teach you Spanish alphabet. Most of them looks like English alphabet, but there are few alphabet which is little bit different, but don't worry, I will teach you. So before starting this video, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. So let's start. So first alphabet is in English is A. In English, but in Spanish we say A. A. In English A, but in Spanish A. A. B in Spanish B. 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 C is C. 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 And new alphabet in Spanish CH. CH we say Che. Che. Or CH is Che. 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 Next is D. D in Spanish De. 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 And next E. A. 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 Next is F. F in Spanish F. 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 Next is G. G in Spanish He. 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 H. H in Spanish H. 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 I. I in Spanish E. 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 And next J. J in Spanish J. 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 Next is K. K in Spanish Ka. 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 Next is L. L in Spanish. L in Spanish we say L. 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 And new alphabet in Spanish double L. Double L we say Edge. 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 Next is M. Okay. M in Spanish M. 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 Next is N. N in Spanish N. N. And N with a mark above Spanish we say and Nye. 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 And Nye. And Nye. And Nye. Next is O. O is same. O in Spanish is also O. Next is P. P in Spanish Pe. 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 Q. Q in Spanish Q. 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 Q in Spanish Q. R. R in Spanish R. 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 S. S in Spanish S. S. Next is T. T in Spanish Te. 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 Next is U. U in Spanish U. 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 V. V in Spanish Uve. 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 And W in Spanish W. 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 But in some countries we say Uve W. Uve W. And next X. X in Spanish X. 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 Y. Next is Y. Y in Spanish Y. Y. Z. Z in Spanish Z. 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 So guys, finish. Thank you so much. I hope you like this video, and please if you have any question, if you have any doubt, so please add me on Facebook and Instagram also. so that I can solve your question and solve your query. And you can also comment below the description also. And please support me, like my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. It is very important for me and for my growth. Friends, see you in next video. Bye bye. Adios. Please, all my dear friends, do not forget to like my video, because your like is a big motivation for me, and I want to help so many people of the world for learning Hindi. So do not forget to share my video with your friends on WhatsApp and Facebook. Please don't forget to press red button to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon for getting notifications of my new uploaded videos.